Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Mathotechnique. Today we shall do some exercises on percentages. This in continuation to our previous video. So the first exercise that I've seen is if Newton got 10 out of 100 in his maths paper and 20 out of 50 in his science paper, represent this in percentage. So he got 10 out of 100. So you are representing it in percentage form. So you have to multiply it with 100. So how much would you get? This would get cancelled. It is 10%. Okay. And whenever you say percentage, you put this sign. Okay. Next, he got 20 out of 50 in his science paper. You represent it by 100. So this would be once, twice. So that would be 40%. So you again represent it with percentage. He got 10% in maths and 40% in his science paper. Now another type of problem. A shopkeeper sells 5 kgs of apples, 5 kgs of oranges and 10 kgs of mangoes. Represent each of this in percentage form. So apples he sells 5 kgs. Oranges he sells 5 kgs and mangoes he sells 10 kgs. So overall how many kgs he is selling? 20 kgs. All this you add up and becomes 20 kgs. So what is the percentage of apple to mango that he sells? Apple to oranges to mangoes that he sells? So this is represented as 5 divided by 20. 5 kgs out of the overall 20 kgs that he sells into 100. So this would be what? This will go like this. This is once. This is 5 times. So 5 into 5, 25%. Okay, I hope I'm clear over here. Same, he sells another 5 kgs of oranges. So 5 divided by 20 kg overall he sells into, it's represented in percentage form, so into 100. So here again this and this goes. This is once, this is 5 times. So 5 into 5 is 25. So 25% of oranges he is selling. Now 10 out of 20 kgs he sells of mangoes. So that when you represent it with 100, it becomes what? 1s are 5s are. So 5 into 10, 50%. So 50%, his shop sells 25% of apples, 25% of oranges and 50% of mangoes. So this is how he represents. So he is selling 50% of mangoes in his shop. Okay. Now we shall see this. You must be very familiar with. You get your mark sheets. So how is this represented? If Newton got the below marks in his exams out of 100, what is his overall percentage? So if he's got in English 80, Hindi 90, Maths 80, Science 70, History 50, Geography 50. So we have to calculate the overall percentage. Okay, this is individual percentages. So he's got 80 out of 100. That means it is 80 percentage. Okay, so 80 out of 100 means it is 80 percentage. So he's got 80% in English, 90% in Hindi, 80% in Maths, 70% in Science and 50% each in History and Geography. But we do not know what is his overall percentage. So from this we should calculate the overall percentage. How do we calculate that? So what do? You add up all these numbers. So when you add all this up, you get 420. Okay. So he's got 420 out of how much? 600. 6 subjects, 100. So all this is out of 100. So out of 600, he's got 420. So what is his overall percentage? It is represented as 420 out of 600 he's got. So we have to get it in percentage. So what do? We multiply it with 100, right? So what do we get the answer? We cancel these two. 6 ones are 6, 6 sevens are 42 and 0. So this becomes 70%. So Newton gets overall 70% in his exams. So this is the exercises. You can go through these exercises. This will be very helpful for you. So this is a basic calculation of percentages. I shall go into more complicated exercises in our next video. I hope to see you all again. And if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. And please do like and subscribe our video and have a nice day. Thank you and bye to all.